Now I'm going to count down. Imagine that you are walking down a ramp to go towards the most beautiful beach, the healing beach, where your powerful mind can begin and continue to heal your eyes, to restore your eyesight. So let's walk down that path now. It's kind of like a hill, kind of like a ramp. It takes you down to the beach. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Keep going down the hill. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, you are at a beautiful beach. You can hear the gentle waves. You smell the fresh ocean air. You can feel the soft white sand underneath your feet. It's a perfectly sunny, warm, bright day. Not too hot, not too cool, just perfect. And you are wearing a summer's dress, feeling perfectly comfortable, beautiful. And there's that gentle breeze that caresses your face and your hair. You walk towards the edge of the beach. And you sit right down on the sand. And you move towards the edge of the water. You walk into the water and you decide to sit in the water. You're not worried about your dress getting wet or anything like that. You're just comfortable. And as you sit in the water, it feels nice, warm, and refreshing. And you can feel the waves crashing against your body a little bit. It's a nice feeling, and the water in the ocean is just so clear, so clean, so healing. And now, you're gonna put this healing water on your eyes. Yes, it may be stinging a little bit because of the salt. But this water has amazing, powerful healing properties. And when you wash your face and splash some water onto your eyes, something amazing begins to happen. Your eyes begin to be able to receive messages from the environment. Visual messages, images, colors, shapes, sizes, and so much more from the environment around you. And your eyes are able to allow those messages to travel through the optic nerves, then to your brain. Your optic nerves cooperate beautifully. They are either renewed, or they're being repaired, or they're being regenerated. We don't know the mystery, the intricacies of these amazing optic nerves. Or maybe the messages being sent to the brain, skipping the optic nerves altogether. Or maybe it's jumping, whichever way, because it does in its own unique ways. The brain is able to receive, interpret, and translate the messages so that you have some awareness, some understanding of the visual things being sent to your brain. You restore your eyesight. You can see beautiful things in the world. You can see the faces, the eyes, the smiles of people around you, your loved ones, your friends, your colleagues, your clients, your acquaintances. You're able to see what they do, the body language, the clothes they wear, how they express themselves, how they show up. You're able to appreciate and enjoy seeing the beautiful things in the world, amazing things. Some are created by nature, by God. Some are created by humans. Some things are beautiful, other things are not so beautiful. Other things are maybe even quite flawed and imperfect. But it doesn't matter, because you are able to see them. It's a miracle. Somehow, some ways, your eyes are able to receive messages. Your optic nerves are able to allow those messages to be received and interpreted by the brain. This is in contrary to the scientific knowledge that you have known, that people need to be able to see before two, to have certain visual abilities, visual receptors being preserved so that you have proper visual perceptions. That's the known scientific knowledge. But what happens to you is super normal. It's miraculous. You're able to enjoy seeing just like many other people. Your eyes, your brain the neurons, the neural pathways, they all synchronize together. And they adapt somehow. That you really enjoy this newly discovered visual abilities. It's a miracle. People talk about the miracle you experience. You so excitedly, enthusiastically share your miracle with others to inspire them, to heal others. You become an amazing healer. Through you, people experience hope, inspiration, and their own healing and transformations. You love seeing people's faces, body language, gestures, actions, behaviors. You enjoy looking at beaches, looking at mountains, looking at lakes, trees, flowers, going into the forest, going on trails, hikes. You enjoy seeing all kinds of animals, creatures in the world, fishes in the sea, beautiful vegetables, fruits. You are a miracle. You manifest miracles in your life. You restore your eyesight. You are able to see with your eyes. The eyes of your mind, the eyes of your body. Your body heals your eyes, your optic nerves, your brain, whatever it does. The mind directs that. We don't know exactly how it's going to work. It happens for you. Perhaps gradually, perhaps through a specialist, a healer, an amazing healer, or perhaps it happens out of nowhere, unexpectedly. You trust that it happens to you. You believe that it happens to you. Even if you have doubts, you make the choice to believe that it happens to you. Other people have experienced miracles, healing miracles in their lives. It can happen to you too. Your mind is incredible and powerful. Your mind can help to heal your eyes, your optic nerves, your brain, create new neural pathways, enhancing the visual areas in your brain. You are powerful. You are sighted. You experience miracles. And with your eyes, you help inspire so many people. Could be in your speaking, in your coaching, in your therapy, in your workshop facilitation, or simply just by being you. You hear people say how amazed they are that you're able to see, you're able to walk by yourself without being guided. You're able to drive. You're able to read. You're able to do things independently. Wherever you go, you're able to do things independently. And yet, you still are connected. You still are loved. You still are cared for. You are not alone. You are loved. You are connected. You are cared for. You inspire people being sighted. You don't need to be in the dark to inspire, transform people. You can elevate the transformation to incredible levels by becoming sighted, by being able to see, by being able to show people what miracles can happen to people's lives, to you, your life. Yes, you begin to truly believe that it happens. You open your heart to embrace this new reality. You open your mind to embrace this new reality. And your body begins to heal, to repair, renew, regenerate. Restoring what was there when you were born. Restoring what you were born with, eyesight, and enhancing more abilities, capabilities in your vision. You have amazing vision. Vision in the eyes, vision in the mind. You are a visionary. You visualize your eyesight, and it happens. You visualize being able to see again, and it happens. You can see light. You can see shapes, sizes, people, and things. And it feels wonderful. You are so grateful, so inspired. You feel so much love and joy, receiving a beautiful gift from God, from the universe, the gift of eyesight, so that you can incorporate your eyesight with the eyes in your heart and mind. It is now a fact that you are sighted. It is now a fact that you can see. Every day when you listen to this reality becomes more and more real for you each day. The power, the healing power of your body becomes stronger and stronger each day, so that your eyes are healed, your optic nerves are repaired or renewed, regenerated, and your brain heals and functions in the most optimal way, allowing you to enjoy visual capabilities